Welcome to another numerical of high voltage, and our numerical problem is an impulse current generator has a total capacitance of 15 microfarad and the charging voltage 125 kilovolt. The circuit inductance 2 millihenry and dynamic resistance 1 ohm. Determine the peak current of impulse current and general equation current value. First of all, write all the given data, and the given data is capacitance 15 microfarad, voltage 125 kilovolts, L 2 millihenry, R 1 ohm. Convert all this in the standard form, and we know the value of voltage equal to R upon 2 root under C upon L. Put all this value from above, we get the value of voltage 4.33 into 10 to the power minus 2. Now find this exponential minus b sine inverse 1 minus b square whole to the power 1 by 2, 1 minus b square whole to the power 1 by 2, and put this in the calculator. This is power, exponential power, and we can get 0.936. Similarly, maximum value of current b equal to 1 upon c, and exponential of this we have already find value of this value. So putting this value, we can get 10.13 kilo ampere, and general equation of current it equal to v upon omega l e power minus alpha t sin omega t. The value of alpha is r upon 2l, we can get 250, and omega equal to 1 upon root under LC 1 minus b square whole to the power 1 by 2, we get 5768.16 radian per second. Put all this value. At this time, finding this value, put your calculator in. At this time, put the calculator in radian, and finally you find the value of it. This is the equation. This asks in the above question to find this equation.